What's up, YouTube? Good morning, guys. This is Courtney Truman Steamers. I'm on my first job today, April the 22nd. This is a new customer. She found me on Facebook, watched my videos, and she said she also followed me on YouTube. So that's even better. So I'm doing a total of 5 areas in a hallway today. Title this video, why did I switch from the Shark to the Workhorse? Guys, Sharks is a great vacuum. I've been using Sharks for years, but every year I usually replace my Shark and get another one. I wanted something that would last longer and perform if not as good, but better than the Shark. I've been doing a lot of research. One thing about me, I never like bag vacuums. I like bagless vacuums, basically canister vacuums. And when I seen the Workhorse, I seen the way it performed, I just decided to buy it and give it a try. Since I've been using it, guys, I am very, very, very happy with the results and the performance that this vacuum produces. Unfortunately, it's not the best looking vacuum. It does look like something from the 80s, and I think it is something from the 80s. But, you know, hey, I would rather have something that performs good than just look good. You can see that this canister is empty, all right? And I'm about to vacuum a total of 5 areas. Polyester carpets. Customer said this is the first time the carpets have been cleaned, which is, you know, hey, I have to give her props. Her carpets are not in bad condition for 8 years, first cleaning. She found me on Facebook. Again, she watched the videos, YouTube videos, and she's very happy, like most of my customers when I show up. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick, I ain't going to say quick, I'm going to just go ahead and do a thorough pre-vacuum right now. That light doesn't work, and I'll show you guys how much dry soil I get out of the fibers. I'm going to set that on low. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, guys, so all our vacuum is the hallway. I haven't even did that room yet, nor the stairs, but only the 3 rooms in the hallway. And you can see, look at that. That's very impressive. Alright, guys, so I am done with the vacuuming. And you can see how much dry soil came out. I will say one thing, just being honest, with the Workhorse, I am getting more embedded soil out of the fibers than the Shark. Basically just more grit. It's just so fine. The soil that it removes from the carpets is very impressive. Also, you can see some animal hair, and I mean, just amazing. So this is, again, I'm very happy with it. I see some other guys using it. I said, let me check it out, and I will say, hey, very, very happy with the results. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and knock out the cleaning. And for the people that's been asking why I switched from the Shark to the Workhorse, like I said, just want to try something different and also have something that can last me longer instead of replacing a vacuum every year. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Woo, look at those carpets. All right, guys, trying to give you a little glimpse of each room, how they're coming out. And as you can see, these carpets are looking magnificent. I'm actually about to call my customer up to let her take a look at it. Well, let me show you how the rooms are coming out. So you can see I haven't done any of the hallway yet.
Oh my god. Does it actually stay like that then?
Yeah. That's what happens when you get it clean and get all the soil removed. Now look at this right. Look at that.
Wow. Yeah, you can tell all your fans.
Yep.
This is 6 kids and 2 dogs.
6 kids and 2 dogs.
And 8 years.
Wow.
I tried. I really did try.
Well, hey. You found me. You watched the videos. Now, what I'm going to do before I leave, I know your ticket is pretty high right now, but I'm still going to show you and give you some information on my 1-year carpet protector. Show you how it works. So if you do want to add it or add it in the future, you can let me know.
Okay. That's one of the things people love watching is doing.
Yep.
It's like soothing.
It is, yeah. You'd be surprised how many my YouTube followers, they say that. Oh, I just love to watch clean, and I mean, it's just like you say, it's relaxing and just something. I've been doing it for 19 years, and it never gets old for me.
I hear that. I get it.
Look, thank you. Now wait till I get downstairs to your living room. Man, God, look at these carpets. Huh?
I said my kids aren't allowed in the house anymore.
They can't come in the house anymore? Alright guys, down to the final stretch. We headed to my second one. Carpets look great, clean, smell good, and I think she's going to add some protection. All right, YouTube. See you guys in the next one.